usho mina yini lo? Usho mina bafa? Hayibo. Awazi yini? Umusha la? Uyabonakala. Usho mina? Hayibo baba.
Bathi qhude manikiniki zindala zombini. Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezichisa Bay Entertainment. Oh guys, ubanyana baka. One thing about her, Sana, whatever she says, whether it's good or bad, someone somewhere is just always waiting to devour her. So, unfortunately, it is the girl that Utirelo, the first episode, was asking about. Ke kumpumelelo into ba yebhuti wanibizela kwa Centurion nje iPitori ingapha. Is it the place where you normally meet with your Pretoria girlfriend? Obviously, sonke siyamazi ke into ba ngombi Pretoria girlfriend unfortunate ke Sana, and obviously it's uyibukelile first episode and caption yakhe ithi girlfriend yakhe yako Pretoria. That's what Utirelo said. She went on and wrote kwi description, sorry, wathi uzoba ibhubesi le hayi la. So uthi ke andikoyiki Tirelo. And I did see some people calling her out, but aren't you his girlfriend and don't you reside in Pretoria? I'm literally so confused. Did she mention your name? Why are you being so unnecessary? Why the drama? Like itin indo yakho no Tirelo. Because there literally was no part where she was being rude to you. Kukhoneke ababodwa abathi mamela ke nontombi amahle akabathandi abantu abakhuluma kakhulu. You are still a girlfriend, so you better behave. So yeah guys, nanso indaba ye-horror. Please do let me know what your thoughts are on this one down on the comment section, and surely ngizonibona on my next upload. Bye guys.